Hey guys, welcome back to my class where we dive into the dark genius of Iago, Shakespeare's most crafty villain. What makes Iago so dangerous? How does Iago manage to orchestrate such destruction? Through manipulation, so subtle and precise that his victims never see it coming. Today, we will break down how he manipulates Othello, Roderigo, and Cassio to his will, revealing the methods of a true master of manipulator. Manipulating Othello. Iago's manipulation of Othello is a calculated attack on his deepest vulnerabilities, his insecurities, and his intense love for Desdemona. Iago does not accuse directly, instead, he drops hints like breadcrumbs, leading Othello to form his own destructive conclusions. Consider his lines, "Oh, beware, my lord, of jealousy. It is the green eyed monster which doth mock the meat it feeds on." By warning Othello about jealousy, Iago cleverly disguises his own rule, making his deceit appear as a concern. This tactic ensures Othello trusts him while simultaneously planting the very seed of doubt that will consume him, which we can see when Iago says, "Trifles light as air are to the jealous confirmation strong as proof of Holy Writ." This line shows Iago's understanding of human psychology. He knows jealousy thrives on small, insignificant details, turning them into undeniable proof. Professor Emma Smith of Oxford University explains that Iago exploits Othello's status as an outsider, a Moor in a predominantly Venetian society. Othello's deep love for Desdemona, combined with societal pressures, makes him especially vulnerable to Iago's poison. Manipulating Roderigo. Roderigo, blinded by his obsession with Desdemona, becomes Iago's easiest target. Iago dangles the promise of love before him, convincing Roderigo that all he needs is money and patience to win her over. As Iago says, put money in the purse. This repetitive demand reveals Iago's true aim to exploit Rodrigo's financially while using him as a tool to enact his larger schemes. Iago even orchestrates Rodrigo's actions, knowing his desperation will keep him compliant. Scholar Harold Bloom describes Rodrigo as the perfect victim of Iago's manipulation, foolish, and utterly dependent on Iago's guidance. This dependence is a stark reminder of how blind trust can be exploited. Manipulating Cassio. Iago's manipulation of Cassio is subtle yet devastating. He first orchestrates a drunken brawl, knowing it will tarnish Cassio's reputation. After Cassio loses his position as Othello's lieutenant, Iago pretends to be a friend, advising Cassio to seek Desdemona's help in regaining Othello's favor. Iago advises Cassio, confess yourself freely to her, importune her help to put you in your place again. This suggestion seems harmless, but it's a calculated move. Iago knows that by involving Desdemona, he can make Othello believe in an appropriate relationship between the two, further fueling Othello's jealousy. Critic A.C. Bradley points out that Iago's genius lies in his ability to make others believe they are acting in their own interest, while in reality they are furthering his agenda. In the end, Iago's manipulations lead to a tragic cascade of events. His victims, Othello, Rodrigo, and Cassio, are left ruined. But what drives Iago so commit such heinous acts? That's a question that continues to puzzle scholars. Let us know in the comments which of Iago's manipulations do you find the most chilling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more literary breakdown. See you soon in the next class.